Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I got my AdSense verification done today. A lot of us have been having this same issue. Like, let me not just say a lot of us because I'm not part of it again. Many people are having the same issue, but they don't really know how to do it. In this video I'll show you how. Just make sure you watch this video to the very end. As you all know, in AdSense you have to do two types of verification. The first one being the ID verification, and the second one, which is the address verification. I did the first verification, which is the ID verification, and I was able to pass it. I used my ID, that's my driver's license, and you can use driver's license or you can use international passport. I'm saying this for those that are yet to do their own. So after passing my ID verification, the next step was to do the address verification, which you must do to be able to receive payment from Google AdSense. Google AdSense, they are like doing this to verify that the money that they are sending is actually coming to you. So without you doing this verification, they cannot send you the money. So I did the first one and I passed it. What was left for me was to do the address verification. I applied for it. When I applied on October last year, 2022, the what was written on the mail was that I have to wait for about 3 weeks for it to arrive in my country. I waited the first 3 weeks. I waited and waited. I didn't see it. I had to go to the post office to call them and ask them what's really happening, like why my pin has not, like what if they have seen my pin or something. They told me that I should wait, like if the pin arrives they will let me know. I kept on checking. The first week, the first 3 weeks went, I didn't see it. Second 3 weeks went, I didn't see it. November again went, I didn't see it. So I was just kind of worried, because if I don't get my AdSense verification done, my YouTube channel will be demonetized, my website will be demonetized as well. So I was really worried. Being worried, I was trying to look for other means to do it, because I didn't want my YouTube channel to be demonetized. So I had to call my friends, ask them how they did their own. Some of them suggested that I wait, that they will help me and do the manual verification, which I'm not used to manual verification. I checked my phone, lo and behold, it was the post office people. I had to call them back and they told me that my pin has arrived. I didn't waste time to rush to their office. When I got there, I met the man. The man brought out my pin. I had to, like, he didn't ask for money, but out of excitement, I had to give him money just to show my appreciation for calling me and for also being patient with me. So I went home, like I just took the stuff, went home, checked the whole stuff, because it's my first time. I was kind of just being curious. I was just happy and also curious to know how it's being done. I got home, opened the envelope, like I opened it, saw the pin. I just rushed to my Google AdSense account and did the necessary verification, entered the pin, and after entering the pin I checked my AdSense and saw that the pin has been like the verification has been completed. So what I'm trying to tell you is that you should keep like waiting and make sure that your AdSense, like the address that you're putting, that is very very correct. Like when you want to put address, make sure you put address of a post office that is close to you, because that's where they will send your pin. Make sure that the address is very very correct one, and make sure that all the documents that you use for the first verification is available. In case if they don't send it, you can easily do the manual verification. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the video on how to do the manual verification. Just subscribe to this channel and stay tuned so that you don't miss any of my video. Peace out and see you in my next video.